Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last video we made the UI for login and register pages, and also did the integration in both pages too. In today's video we will work on connecting the MongoDB with our Fresh.js project, and then after that we will make APIs for it. Let's get started now. Alright, as we are in the same project, let's create a folder in the root directory first. I'll call this folders as utils, as this folder will handle the utilities of our app with DB connection. In that folder, I'll make a file env-config. This file will get the data from our .env file. I'll use config method, which is provided by deno, to get the data from .env file. Let's export our MongoDB connection string here. Alright, now create a .env file in the root directory. In that file, we save a MongoDB connection string here. Don't forget to remove localhost to 127.0.0.1 if you guys are using Windows, and Linux you are good to go. Alright, now create a new file in utils folder. I'll name the file dbconnection.ts here. In that file, I'll use Mongo client, which is also provided by deno. Don't worry, I'll share all the links of deno imports in the description. Now import the connection string here, which we exported in env-config file. Initialize a DB variable here and assign the type as database. Now create an asynchronous method here with the name of create MongoDB connection. Add a try catch here through the error in the catch block. Now assign MongoDB client to a variable here. After that, we will connect the DB by passing the MongoDB connection string here. Here we will show console if MongoDB is connected. Below, I will return the database name. I'll name the DB as auth, as this project will handle the authentication and authorization. Below this method, I'll pass the method to our initialized variable DB here. Lastly, export both DB and the method we just made here. The final steps will be to call the method when our app is initialized. To do that, what I'll do here is import DB connection method here and in main.ts file and call that method below. I'll do the same thing in the dev.ts file. Now if I save the file, you can see the console which we added in the connection method in the terminal. Great, we have made the connection now. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Happy coding!